It's sad, but you are a better friend to others than to yourself. I'm sure you already heard that. I'm sure that you already noticed that. I noticed too. And that's why I'm gonna talk about it today. And for me, it's question of self-respect. Sometimes you respect others more than you respect yourself. And sadly, it won't help you when you feel worthless. Because we all got a down moment when we feel worthless. If you had enough self-respect, you would be able to bounce back real fast, really quickly. So I got a couple points to go through today. We're gonna get these. So the way that you talk to yourself is way better than the way you talk to yourself. Even knowing that you live with yourself 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can say that you are sick and tired of your own self. No, that is not normal. Because when you talk to your friends, you always got the best advices, the motivation they need. You got respect for them. Even if you curse them out a couple of times, but it's all love. You are there for them. But who is here for you? They might be here for you, but are you here for you too? Somebody said, if you make a list of everything that you really love, would your name be on the list? I hope it is. Because when I heard that question, I was the first thing on the list. I don't have much, I'm broke. But let's be honest, I love myself. So yeah. And yeah, you got respect for others more than for yourself. So for yourself, when it's your turn to try things, you got the worst advices for yourself, for your own self. You're not motivating your own self, which means you're not respecting your own self. And that's why you feel worthless. It's not because of the world, it's because of the inner world. What are you doing? You know exactly the best advices, the motivation, the respect, the love, the compassion, because you got more compassion for others than for yourself. So yeah, self-respect is self-love. And if you love yourself enough, like I said, you will be bouncing back from that worthless feeling moment, that down moment. You're going to bounce right back. Trust me, because you love yourself too much. And you're going to talk to yourself better out of that situation. And for me, one of the reasons why our brain works like that is because our brain doesn't see us. Really, you can see people like they full body, all body, but to see yourself, you got to look in the mirror, and it got to be a huge mirror to see your full self. So that's why your brain can, and we have hard times looking at the mirror and saying, bro, you perfect. Bro, go for it. Bro, I love you. And that's the exercise that I'm proposing you. Go to your mirror, look at it, not to see how you look, but to see who you are. And like you would do to a friend, say hi. You might be cringe a little bit, but fuck it, say hi. Like shaking hands, you can even fist bump it. He will do it back. So talk to yourself nice, look yourself in the mirror, talk to yourself nice, motivate yourself. Ain't gotta be every day, but for me, it should be every day. Motivate yourself, having compassion for yourself, love, like I said, self-love. That's really huge. I ain't gonna be too long. You got things to do. I hope you got things to do. And like I usually say, let your spirit play, let your mind play, and let your body practice. Now, It's your job to find out what that means for you. All right? But let's start with self-respect, self-love. All right? Go ahead and be your best friend. I got love for you, but stay dangerous. Bye.